Warning for Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 11 p.m. At 11 p.m., local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area with widespread flooding.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 9:15 p.m. At 8:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from Como to near Lake Geneva to near Iawx, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Antioch, Lake Geneva, Paddock Lake, Camp Lake, Twin Lakes, Spring Grove, Wheatland, Genoa City, Silver Lake, Richmond, Channel Lake, Lake Catherine, Howard Lake, Como, Hale Lake, Bowners Lake, Salem, Bristol, Bassett, and New Munster. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lower floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A tornado.
Why does